Yeah, so welcome back.
Cut करो. Hello?
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Janvi ready? Mayank ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Very good. So I am going to my presentation. This is actually my presentation, and I should leave it and let us see. So this I have discussed actually. Main problem in our life is this 3D world. Still we are moving in 2D world, and I have shown you that I have shown how to create these 3D objects, and we'll do something next class. We will try to do something in creating surface, any surface. Okay.
Hello?
Ah,
Okay, sir.
are you getting me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
You are audible.
Okay. So next class I will be teaching you the surface, how to create surface. So 3D object and surface once you know, and then club with this coordinate geometry, then vector analysis, and then complex numbers. You can completely work on 2D as well as 3D, is not it? Everything moves in this two dimension, 2D and 3D, and
Yes.
1D is easier, so everybody can do that. Okay, so now today we are going for this I'm just skipping these presentations. These are the topics of complex number. Okay, complex numbers, algebra of complex number, complex function, differentiation of complex function. This calculus we will learn before going to learn calculus of complex number, and conformal mapping, complex integral, sequence, series. All these things we will learn one by one, and you have to work means not hard, I should say. You should explore more number of theories and concept
Yeah.
related to this, so that we can go in this advanced topic very fast.
Yes, sir.
These are the theorems in related to complex number. I will teach you something, but you have to practice lot of things in from books. This class 11 books
Sir,
that
I have completed 11th class complex number. All the exercises and everything.
I could not follow you.
Because
Sir,
I don't
I'm
know.
saying I have finished the 11th class chapter complex number. I have completed.
You have done it
Even
theoretically. Now you
and all the practice questions also.
are okay, but you
Sir,
have
I
to do it
haven't done
now
anything. I don't
with
know.
I didn't do on Excel. I didn't even
Excel,
try.
using Excel.
I didn't try.
Geometrically, you should learn. You should tell that geometrical interpretation. Okay,
Yeah.
addition of two complex number, how it should look like. Multiplication of two complex number, how it will. You have to tell that clearly. Then only you have learned. Now you know how to multiply two natural complex numbers. Is not it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But what
Yes.
happens? Can you tell what happens when you multiply two complex numbers? How this resultant complex number and these two complex number, is there any relationship?
So, in what?
I'm telling, suppose you have a Z1 and
Yeah, Z1
two
into
complex
Z2.
number, you multiply it and you got Z3. So
Yeah.
what is the relation between Z1, Z2 and Z3? Geometrical relation.
So that, for example, like Z1 is add, like there is a separate kind of addition in complex number on Argand plane. That is, we draw a line and then we make a parallel line and then we make a straight line from the origin. So maybe, like geometrically, the multiplication can be shown as Z1 added to itself again and again Z2 times gives Z3. And the final point, when we make a line from the origin, that will be Z3.
Explain again. Let us have something. Means I am not examining you, or
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah.
It is mutual understanding. Many things I don't know.
Sir,
So
I'm
I am
trying
trying to
to.
understand what you are trying to convey. Okay.
Okay, so I'm trying to explain that there is a separate kind of addition in complex numbers on Argand plane.
Hmm.
Right, there is like first there is a point Z1 and there is a point Z2, and we make lines from the origin, and then we make a parallel line which starts from Z2. We make a parallel line to Z1 which starts from Z2, and then we draw a straight line from origin to the point, and that is considered Z1 plus Z2. Now I'm saying for multiplication, Z1 into Z2 is Z1 added to itself again and again Z2 times. So if we make Z1 again and again and again, and we make a straight line, that will become Z3, which is the like addition of Z1 Z2 times. That is Z1 into Z2. Am I wrong?
Okay, good. You have some idea about that, and now we will do it in Excel, and we will
Okay.
learn, and we will learn that actual what happens in this that case. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so that will bring more clarity. Okay, so
Okay,
with
yeah.
that I am going back to my presentation again. So these are the topics we learn, and these are the problems where we refer to that complex numbers. I am not going. There are a lot of things written, but we will do these things actually. How we'll do these things in Excel, that we will learn first. Okay. So I am closing my presentation, and then I will be opening my Excel, and you are also practice in Excel. Okay. So can you see my Excel sheet? Can you see my Excel sheet?
Yes, sir.
Very good. And you have to do that same trick. Windows and left key, it will
Yeah,
split
yeah, I've done.
your screen, and then you can mark in one side and you can see the videos.
Yeah,
So
I've done.
Hello?
yes.
Yes, sir, I have done.
Okay, good. So here also, as we have learned the points, how to plot points. Okay, here we it is similar point. Point is associated with the whole plane. Similarly, complex number also associated with whole plane. Okay, all the points represent a complex number. So how we will do these complex numbers in Excel? So I am taking same similar thing. X and Y is our point. and suppose it is 2 and 3. There is a point 2 and 3. When we use a point, we require two elements to represent this point 2 and 3. But
Yes, sir.
can we represent this point with a single number? This is the thing. With single number, we can represent if it is a complex number. If it is a complex number having a real part and a imaginary part.
Imaginary part.
Yes. So how to do that? There is a function called complex, 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 and then 2, 3. So this is the thing. As we are trying to multiply last time, similar thing.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, we can't see that screen, which 2 and 3, which you just told.
You can't see? I'll enlarge it.
I got 2 plus 2i.
Yes. 2 plus 3i for my case.
Yeah,
Can
got
you
it.
please repeat?
I'll repeat. Yes.
There is a function called complex number, na sir?
Yes.
Okay.
Please show your screen, and that then only
This is the
I
formula.
would.
Can you see this formula?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I can't see.
It is not.
So your screen is visible, but that Excel sheet is not visible. There is some separate Excel sheet that is open.
Yeah, actually.
The sheet you're working on.
Or maybe the screen share has hanged.
Yeah, not
Because
hang.
even the mouse pointer is not moving, na?
Yeah, maybe. Could be possible. I'm not so sure.
I'm trying to do something.
Sir, maybe you can try to do new screen share and like
Exit and
share your
try it again.
current screen again.
I'll do this. That will be, I think, will be. Can you see now the formula?
No, sir.
Still you can see.
No,
So
sir.
big Excel 2, 3 is equal to complex number.
No. So we can see that book 1 only. That is sheet 1. Book 1, sheet 1.
Yeah, yeah.
And Mandar, can you see this?
No, sir, no.
You also facing problem. Okay, I will close. I will open a new.
Yeah, sir. One thing.
I'll share again. Okay, stop sharing, and then I'll go back and. I'll again go back and then I'll open this complex. Any improvement? No?
Yeah, sir. We can see your
See
screen.
now?
Sir, only a arrow is visible. Blue colored circle is visible.
Oh,
Yeah, it's loading, I think.
Yeah, I think.
you can't see my screen?
So your Excel sheet is visible, but there are no cells. Only a blue colored mouse is appearing.
Loading. The loading
That
sign.
loading sign.
Captain, no?
Sir, is your Excel sheet loaded?
Mandar, can you see it?
No, sir, I can't see like all the whole Excel sheet is here, but the main like all the cells and all that is not visible.
Last time there was no problem.
Sir, maybe you can close all other Excel sheets and keep only one open. So then we can know if you are presenting any other Excel sheet or there is some problem in the screen share only.
There is no other Excel sheet.
Only one. Then I don't know, sir. Sir, then maybe the screen share is hanging or something.
Maybe.
Can you see this screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Now we can.
Is okay?
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I tried to run the imaginary function and it worked.
Tell me again.
Sir, I like we did the complex function, I did the imaginary function also, and it worked.
Yes. I will come one by one. Complex function and then x and then y values.
Okay.
And you see that now this number has become 2 plus 3i. So
Yeah.
the structure of
Yeah.
complex number.
Okay. It multiplied iota with it. With second value.
This function is available in Excel. Suppose I will take another number 3 and 5. So this time I will not write the function. I will just copy that function. Okay.
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 So I got two numbers. Okay. So now I am ready for binary operation. Binary operation means
Separating the numbers.
addition, subtraction, all these things. So I will be doing first addition. And first complex number is Z1 and second number is Z2. Okay. So what I will do is equal to im sum, SUM. You can remember that im is imaginary and sum means
Oh.
addition. So in sum, I am asking that you add imaginary sum and Z1, comma Z2. That's all. And enter. So this is the
Okay.
you got my points?
Yeah.
So now similarly we will go on subtraction, suppose. So subtraction is equal to, suppose im sum Z2 minus Z1. Okay.
Okay.
So you won't put the minus sign.
Yeah, comma. So you can see that here these real numbers added and here imaginary numbers added, and here real numbers subtracted and imaginary numbers subtracted. So what is product? Product Z1, Z2. So what will be is equal to in product is this. When you type in product, it will automatically come. You can select this one and this one. Okay. And division. Division is equal to div. Now this is the division actually to my numbers. Now what is happening geometrically? We are more interested in geometry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So what will that? We'll again extract these values and for so that we can plot it. We'll extract. So how we can extract? It is having a two parts. No, one part is real and other part is imaginary.
Imaginary.
So how we can extract this? Here only imreal. Imreal is the command. Imreal command will extract the imaginary real part of the imaginary number. So here, if we want to extract imaginary part from the complex number, we will use imaginary
Okay.
number. So you see that this
Just a
complex number
second.
was 2 plus 3i. Now it has become 2 and 3. Now we can plot 2 and 3, no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So similarly, we will just double click it and we will get all the numbers.
Just a minute.
Just a second. Okay. Oh, sir, I didn't. I got an error.
Sir, can you show that imaginary and real separation again?
Oh, there is a mistake, sir. Just a second.
Now you can see the formulas.
Yeah, done.
Just a minute, sir. I'm doing.
Now, Janvi, you will now realize that how difficult it was to multiply two imaginary number
Yeah.
manually, and now you can do it.
Yeah. It's so
Actually,
simple
you
here.
have done 10 problem in one day, but now you can do 100 multiplication in one day,
Yeah.
and you can go beyond multiplication. Earlier,
Yeah.
used to get stuck in multiplication and division. Now you know that multiplication and division will happen like that. So you can think of more advanced thoughts, is not it?
Yeah.
So you can just go on trying all the advanced concept related to this. Now for plotting this, let us see plot and we will try to understand what.
Sir, I'm not getting the imaginary and real part. I'm not getting that.
Which one?
Where you separated real and imaginary numbers, I'm not able to get that output.
Are you typing these formulas right away?
Yeah, sir.
In real, and you should select only Z.
Yeah, sir, that's what I'm doing. Sir, what did you get for division?
Huh?
What did you get for division, sir? What values did you get?
Anvi, can you help him?
Okay, so what we did for real and imaginary.
No, what values did you get when you divided the two complex numbers?
Okay, I just a second. Sir, can you please show your screen without the formula, because my values are I had put different values because of some error. And X also, please.
Okay, yeah, I got that.
Yeah, 3 and 5. Okay, so for product I got -9 plus 19. The same sir got, and for division I got a different number.
Yeah, I got that only. Just a minute now. Just.
Sir,
Hmm.
okay, yeah, it could be something different.
So we'll try to.
Yeah, I got the same answer. I have the same answer. So, Mandar, did you do it?
Yeah, I'm getting. Not double click, nah?
Have you got everything? We'll be plotting now this. So
Okay.
we
Just a
want
second.
to see the geometrical interpretation of this.
Okay, sir, I got that. Yeah, sir.
So after I think when we finish the plotting, our 40 minutes will be over. But you should uh, practice from your 11 book
Yeah, yeah.
or any other
Yes,
book. All the chapters means all the problem related to class 11. Sorry.
hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'm just
I
trying
got.
to plot it, nothing else. So you know
Sir,
that.
how are we going to plot it? I plotted it and I got a weird shape.
It automatically got plot and I got something wrong.
Yeah, for
I
me.
don't know that whether these points are okay or right or wrong. Let us take
Sir, I got a similar thing too.
at data level and then add format data level and then I think we should.
Hmm.
So you can see that the values of that it has nicely plotted. Here we had 2 points. One is 1 and 2, and another is
Sir, just a minute. I'm not aware.
hmm.
Okay, yeah, yes, sir.
Sir, I'm facing some problem.
Try to do it. I'm waiting. No problem.
Oh, wait a second. Oh, okay, I did a mistake.
So so you think that these are the points, and let us change some points because these are cluttering. It is, let us take minus.
So, so excuse me, sir. Yes, can you please scroll down? Where did these two, three? Yeah, what are these values?
Hmm?
Yeah, what are these values?
These values here you can see this. This is actually we have taken two numbers. No, first
Yeah, but I'm confused. Where did these values come from? Why?
what I have done. You realize that I have
Yeah, yeah, but yeah,
slowly. Tell
so
me.
you,
I have plot. We have taken first 2 and 3, then 3 and 5, then we added, so we got 5 and 8. You see that 2 and 3 and 3 and 5. When we added, we got 5 and 8. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then we have subtracted. We have subtracted. Then we got 1 and 2, and then
I'm facing a lot of problems.
we multiplied. We got minus 9 and 19. And then we have divided. When we divided, we got 1.6 and 0.07. If we delete it, then we cannot delete a single point from here. So make it 0 and 0. So these are the points except multiplication. So these are the geometrical interpretation of complex number. We add two complex number, we subtract two complex number, we divide two complex number, we multiply two complex numbers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Any question up to this?
No, sir.
Now, all the operation we do it in real numbers. No, that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation or power, everything, whatever available is available in complex number. Only thing you have to type im app. So im app means absolute values of imaginary number. Imaginary means imaginary number. M argument. Argument means angle. Imaginary number angle. Then M conjugate means it has a negative part. Then im cos any number, cos of any imaginary number, im hyperbolic cos of any imaginary number, the im cot, im cosec, whatever we do in real numbers, every function is there with imaginary numbers. You can see all these numbers available. If you want to tan of imaginary number, sine of imaginary number, everything is available. You can practice and you need not limit yourself on book.
Yeah, yeah.
You become unlimited. Anything you can try, anything you can try to learn what it works, how it works. Imaginary log, imaginary exponent. So you can take two numbers again. I'll repeat how to do it. Just take x and y and then complex. So x is 3, y is 5, then equal to complex 3 comma 5. Now, if you have any complex number, you can extract that complex number in real part and imaginary part. So, real part and imaginary part. This is required for plotting. So, here in real,
Sir,
yes,
sir, so here, why do you want to plot this, sir?
uh, very good question. That question is required to answer what happens when we add, what happens when we multiply, what happens when we subtract. So you can physically see, visualize what happens in that case.
Yes,
Suppose 2 and 4, you add in your number line 2 and 4, then it goes to 6. So you can see everything in number line. But when you add the complex number in a plane, so what happens? Which point we are adding and where it is going? And lot of new subject will emerge. You will learn lot of new things when you learn complex number. And complex number actually completes your number system in the sense, suppose you have uh,
sir.
yes, suppose you have that number, what I was saying, you multiply 5 with minus 1. So what it happens, 5 into minus 1, what happens? 5 into minus 1,